Are you getting ready for the Canadian citizenship test? You've come this far, and that deserves a cheer. We're here to help you learn the smart way, with fun, fast-paced trivia. We've created quizzes by topic, plus full review challenges to keep you on track. This time the topic is rights and freedoms. Let's jump in. You've got this. Which of the following is a fundamental freedom in Canada? A. Freedom to drive without a license. B. Freedom of thought and expression. C. Freedom to avoid paying taxes. D. Freedom to own land for free. The correct answer is B. Freedom of thought and expression. Canadians have the right to move freely. A. Only within their home province. B. Only if they get government permission. C. To any city in Canada. D. Only during elections. The correct answer is C. To any city in Canada. What does freedom of religion mean in Canada? A. You can start a new religion, but only in English. B. You can choose your beliefs and practice them freely. C. You must follow the same religion as your parents. D. The government decides which religion is official. The correct answer is B. You can choose your beliefs and practice them freely. Which right is protected by the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms? A. The right to travel to any country without a passport. B. The right to free housing. C. The right to become Prime Minister automatically. D. The right to vote in federal elections. The correct answer is D. The right to vote in federal elections. Which of the following is a democratic right in Canada? A. The right to vote in elections. B. The right to a free car from the government. C. The right to refuse to follow the law. D. The right to own a castle. The correct answer is A. The right to vote in elections. Equality rights in Canada mean A. Only men and women are equal, not children. B. All Canadians are treated the same under the law. C. All Canadians earn the same salary. D. Only citizens have any rights. The correct answer is B. All Canadians are treated the same under the law. Which of the following is not a legal right in Canada? A. The right to a fair trial. B. The right to have free groceries. C. The right to be presumed innocent. D. The right to hire a lawyer. The correct answer is B. The right to have free groceries. Freedom of association allows Canadians to A. Force other people to join their group. B. Refuse to follow workplace rules. C. Join groups and organizations. D. Avoid paying membership fees. The correct answer is C. Join groups and organizations. Which of the following is a language right in Canada? A. To speak any language at home. B. To have government services in English and French. C. To ask the government to teach your own language to all citizens. D. To make French the only official language in your province. The correct answer is B. To have government services in English and French. Mobility rights allow Canadians to A. Move to any province or territory and work there. B. Live only in the city where they were born. C. Travel abroad without a passport. D. Avoid paying taxes in other provinces. The correct answer is A. Move to any province or territory and work there. Which of the following is a right that only Canadian citizens have? A. The right to vote in federal elections. B. Freedom of religion. C. The right to live in Canada. D. The right to own property. The correct answer: A. The right to vote in federal elections. What is an example of a mobility right under the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms? A. Moving to another country without a passport. B. Moving to another province for work. C. Moving to any city without paying taxes. D. Moving abroad and voting there. The correct answer is B. Moving to another province for work. Which of the following best describes legal rights in Canada? A. Rights that only apply to citizens. B. Rights that guarantee fair treatment under the law. C. Rights that allow you to travel freely. D. Rights to own a business. The correct answer is B. Rights that guarantee fair treatment under the law. Which group of people in Canada has special rights under the Charter? A. Members of political parties. B. New immigrants. C. Indigenous peoples. D. Tourists. The correct answer is C. Indigenous peoples. What does the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms protect you from? A. High taxes. B. Actions by the government that violate your rights. C. Bad weather. D. Private business decisions. The correct answer is B. Actions by the government that violate your rights. Which of the following freedoms allows Canadians to join groups like unions or clubs? A. Freedom of movement. B. Freedom of conscience. C. Freedom of association. D. Freedom of the press. The correct answer is C. Freedom of association. Which of the following best describes the relationship between rights and responsibilities in Canada? A. Rights are absolute and not connected to responsibilities. B. Enjoying rights requires respecting the rights of others. C. Responsibilities are optional and do not affect your rights. D. Responsibilities are only for government officials. The correct answer is B. Enjoying rights requires respecting the rights of others. How did you do? Let us know in the comments. How many answers did you get right? And don't stop here. We've got more trivia videos to help you prepare for the Canadian citizenship test. All designed to make learning easier and more fun. Keep going, you've got this.